As I went a-walking one morning in May to view your fair valleys and mountains so gay, I was dreaming on your flowers all going to decay, that bloom around ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes. How often the morning with my dog and my gun I've rambled these valleys for joy and for fun, but those days they are all over, and I am far away. So farewell unto ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes. Twas not for the want of employment at home that caused us poor children of errand to roam, but those tyrannizing landlords, sure they would not let us stay. So farewell unto ye bonny, bonny Slieve Gallen Braes. Farewell to old Ireland, the land that is so green, to the parish of Lisson and the cross at Balnasgreen. May good fortune shine upon you when I am far away. So farewell